Are you ready to learn over 20 different technical indicators that you can use for stock trading and technical analysis? Welcome to the Stock Trading with Technical Indicators and Overlays online masterclass. We will be going over how to use over 20 different indicators and overlays for stock trading, including the RSI, the MACD, moving averages, Fibonacci retracement, the mass index, and tons more. Learning how to use technical indicators like moving averages or the MACD will allow you to make highly calculated predictions while analyzing stocks. You can get a great insight into a stock's price movement, which will allow you to select better entry and exit points. If you're new to trading or a fundamental trader looking to explore some technical strategies, learning how to use various indicators and overlays will help you to make more educated, calculated, and profitable trades. The indicators and overlays we'll discuss in this course can be applied to any trading style, whether it's day trading, swing trading, or even long-term investing. The more strategies and indicators that you become familiar with, the better you'll become at recognizing and capitalizing on various trading signals. Learning how to implement indicators and overlays will help you to reduce risk while trading, recognize patterns and trends, and help predict upcoming market turns and reversals. Take a moment to check out the course curriculum and the free preview videos so you can see all the indicators and strategies that you'll learn by enrolling. Let's take your technical analysis skills to another level. I'll see you in the course.